Okay, let's continue. Okay, so last time, the last step was just add the page break behind conditions. Now we're gonna do the rest of it. Okay, after we have add the page break, it automatically go to the next line, right? So that is what happens when you have a page break. Then we're gonna click the third page. As you can see, the header, the page number automatically becomes 3. Last name and 3. And we are going to go back to the home section, right? Make it on the home section. And we're going to center the works cited. So we can click center key. Now we're going to type work cited. Click enter, we go to next line. Now we're gonna go to use align left. Okay, make it align left. The next part is we're going to generate the citation part. So we add 3 citations. So now it's time to see the result. We go to reference, go to here, and it will pop out these menus. We're gonna do the last one. Insert the bibliography. So we're gonna click that. As you can see, it automatically insert those, and also because we set up the format at the very beginning, so even for the citation part, it still be double space and the Time New Roman 12. So it will be the same format as the text body. So we insert this one. The next part, we are going to edit source. So now we want to modify this one, Zhao Shenling. So what we do is we go to manage source. We click this one, the third one, and we click edit. Okay. Now we're gonna modify periodical style. Periodical title. So we're gonna get rid of the end. So monthly medical review. So we're gonna get rid of the end to make it a monthly medical review. Get rid of the end and click OK. It tells you if this source exists in your master list and the current document. Do you want to update both lists with this change? You click yes. Okay, we close that. Now, in order to have this part also be updated, you have to right-click your mouse anywhere in this part. Okay, if I right-click my mouse, as you can see, it pop up this menu. So I'm gonna choose to update field. Choose update field. As you can see here, the periodical title automatically changed to monthly medical review, which is perfect. Okay. Now we are on page 45. So click the view and also place the check mark on the navigation pane checkbox. Okay, so which means we're gonna have to click navigation panel, which is right here. Okay, so it is the navigation pane right now. Now we are going to see here. If we click pages, so those are 3 pages we have so far. So once you click the navigation pane, the navigation pane show up on the left, and you go to pages, you can go through different pages. So you can see if you want to go to the first page, second page, first page. Now we're gonna close it. So in the future, if you want, you can have a navigation pane, but now we're gonna just close it. Okay, so that you know there's a function here. Next part is to insert citation using the existing source. So we position the citation behind the page 1. So behind page 1, and we go to here, behind the keyboard, and in front of take a conditional break this part. Okay, we're gonna move my cursor behind the keyboard. Okay, so this is a place we're supposed to have. Okay, this place. We're gonna click reference. We're gonna click insert citation, and we're gonna add the first one right here. So we can insert existing source. We're gonna insert existing source right here. So it has this one, Clark and Nadia. And also, if you want, we can drag it anywhere we want. So which means, you see here, we're gonna drag it, okay, and move it right behind injury, release, and it will move it. Okay, so you can try to do it again. So let me undo this. Okay, click this place and use a cursor, hold this part, drag, 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 move it here, release. Okay, so you can try several times. So we have this, we can move our citation. Also, we can find the text. So we go to home, and here we have find button, which is this one. Okay, find button right here. Click find button. So it will have navigation pane come out, and we can click result. Okay, now we are going to choose auditory. Just type auditory, auditory. Click enter. It tells you they have both. These two, right? This one and this one. To display on the screen. Okay. So you have two auditory right here, and you can close it. So we can close it. Okay. So you do know they have two auditory right here. So next part is we want replace. So still click here. Under the find, we have replace. We're going to find auditory and replace listen. Okay, maybe listen is easier to understand, so we can display as listening. Okay, listening. And we click replace all. So those two will be replaced to listening. Okay, do you want to continue search for the beginning? Yes. Okay, we made it two replacement. That's it. Next one, next part, we can say school to display the second paragraph paper in the document window, and right-click the word for which you want to find a synonym. Okay, display shortcut menu. So right now is we want to have a continuum. Okay, so we highlight continue on the second paragraph. Okay. Okay, developing, taking, continue right here. Okay, highlight continue. Okay, right click your mouse, synonym, and it will show you like all the same meaning words which can replace those. So we are gonna choose. We're gonna choose frequent. Okay, so we can replace this by frequent, same meaning. Okay. So after we finish this one, we replace the word. Then we can control home because you want a spelling check. So we're gonna click the spelling check. Go to the review section. Okay, so it's supposed to have proving word counting. This one, okay, frequent, we did already. Somewhere here should have spelling check, check accessibility, read aloud, and I suppose have to check maybe editor. No, they don't have it. So they're supposed to have the spelling check right now, but I think for the Office 365, this part, they don't have it. Okay, so I guess accessibility go to go. So probably here, no access. Make sure you find it. Okay, so you can have spelling check. Okay, but somehow in my part, I don't have the spelling check right here, but it's supposed to be here. Okay, change, accept, and move to next. Okay, so I guess it's changed speech. Go back to the review section. Oh, what happened? I think I pressed the wrong button. Okay, so back to here. Since they don't have it, since they don't have it, so we're gonna move on to the next part. We're not gonna do the spelling check. So we are gonna just, I guess, we're gonna do the next part, which is use a smart lookup. So go to the reference. So now I'm gonna jump to the page 54. Go to reference, and then we have a search right here. Okay, in the book, it tells you smart lookup, but somehow for some reason on my Office 365, it is search. I don't know why, but it's different. So I click the search, which is smart checkup. You can see search. I can type headphone. So I can just search for the earbud or earbud. So we can do it like this. Look at this one, earbud, and go to search earbud. Okay, it will shows you this image. Earbud is a phone. Okay, you can highlight earbud and then go to click under the reference search. It will show you this. Okay. Next part. So we are going to do the use researcher. Okay, click the researcher button under the reference. Okay, right here. Okay, researcher will start right here. So we can type carpal tunnel syndrome. Click enter. Okay, so it will show me what is that. Find the result right here. Just everything about that. Okay, next part is we are going to display everything within the one window in different panel. So we go to click home. Click this one, show button, to hide all these marks, and then click the view on the ribbon, and we can click multiple page. Okay, as you can see here, it show you multiple pages, 1, 2, 3 pages. Now close this one, it will show me all 3 together. Now we can also change the read mode. So go to the view section again. Okay, under the view section, we have read mode here on the most left. Okay, it shows you, see here, this is read mode. It's kind of changed to you like a light orange color, right? So this is this, and you can even click the view section, click page color, and click sepia. By default is sepia. Okay. Okay, so next part, you can play with the comments. Okay, so now I'm on page 57 to insert a comment. Okay, so select the text to which the comment apply, which is the last sentence in the second paragraph. So we go back to the edit document. Okay, click the second one. Okay, we can zoom out to make it big. Okay. So we're gonna go to the second paragraph, last line, which is this. Okay, taking frequently this. So we're gonna highlight this part. Okay, so this part is what we need to work on. So last sentence on the second paragraph. Click the review. Okay, then we do the show comments. Okay, or you can do the new comments. Do you have comments? Show comments? No, I don't have comments right now. I can do the new comments. It will pop you this window, and you can type the comments you're supposed to type. Okay, so you can type the comments, which is on this page 58. let's cover the hand and arm exercises in our brochure for patients. Okay, for patients. Okay, so you can add comments by clicking new comments right here. Then next one, this is the first comment you add. Then we can add the next comments. The next comment will be the last sentence of the fourth paragraph. Okay, so after you finish this, you can pause this video and type the comments. After you finish, we go to the fourth paragraph. Okay, and we do lower the volume, highlight, lower the volume. Okay, so this one we're supposed to add potential hearing loss. Okay, we haven't fixed it. We can right click your mouse, fix this spelling error. Okay, lower volume can help you, and you just highlight this statement, and you want to go to the under the review, click new comments, and we can type new comments. So let's stress this point in our brochure for patient. So this is one of this. So as you can see, now you have 2 comments. Okay. So on the top, under the review section, we have new comments. We can delete comments. We can go to the previous comments or next comments. So if I click previous comments, it go to the first comments I have. So this button, this part of buttons, you can play with it to get the feelings. Okay, and also we can edit our comments. So by doing, okay, by opening this one, so let's cover examples. We can add examples of hand and arm. Okay, and you can go to next one, go to next one, and then we can reply our comments. So if we click next, we go to this one, we can click reply. We can reply the next comments by just type. Excellent idea. Okay, so you can see you can reply the comments. Now, if you want, you can show and hide comments. So if the show comments are appear selected, okay, can show comments right here. See, if I click this, all the comments will right here. If I click show comments again, it disappear, but it should have a sign right here. Okay, this tells you this is the comment icon. So if you want, double click, to show you like what is the comments you leave. Okay, and also if you want to delete comments, okay, you can just click delete. It will be gone. So basically, it will ask you to delete all comments. So delete this one. Unfortunately, it's gonna delete it, and we'll go to the next one. See here, there's a delete icon. We're gonna delete this one again. So unfortunately, you're gonna delete all the comments. Now we are done for this project. So project 3 is done. Click save it, and you're gonna do project 4 by yourself. In the next video, we're gonna do project 5. Okay, the project 5 is chapter 5. You have to do a business letter, which is Sunset State. Okay, we're gonna do Sunset State together, and then you are going to do the apply your knowledge part. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you.